Hi, I'm Max Wojtek from FROST.
And I'm Hadley, also from FROST. And this is our control wheel spinner assembly. So a little bit about the strategy for Max.
So basically, because we are a fast cycling, low scoring bot, we are going through tons of balls. But that means we have to, in order to advance through the stages, we have to spin the control wheel.
Right now, we are gearing our mechanism with a 35:1 ratio with the 775 Pro from Vex Pro. What we're aiming on doing is going up and slamming right against the control panel table with the frame of our robot right here. And we got the geometry correct within the CAD so that whenever we slam up against the table, these compliant wheels directly interface with the control panel, and it's able to spin it directly from here.
So this is a Robotics color sensor that we got in the kit of parts 2 or 3 years ago. And this is a pneumatic cylinder. Basically, what this will allow us to do is, because we need to be able to sense it we need to have a sensor outside of our frame perimeter, but we need to start in the starting configuration. We mounted it on a piston. If you could please, that's what it looks like when it's actually running. We can use the color sensor to read the color while we are spinning, and that allows us to read where it's at. And then after 3 seconds of inactivity, it pops back in. That allows it to count the wind down, basically. There's a reason that it's actually in a brush. It's because basically what it'll do, this will be mounted lower eventually, where the brushes will actually be on the wheel, and that'll block out all outside light while keeping this nice bright white light on the inside. It makes color tracking a lot more precise and independent of outside variables.